Hey, what's going on, my friend? This is Jason Foster. I hope you're doing well. And right now you're watching this video because you want to learn more about human proof designs and their business model. You're looking to maybe invest into one of their ready-made sites. And I'm going to do a review for you because I actually went ahead and actually invested into one of these sites for myself. So, I'm going to be sharing you my experience, sharing you some pros, some cons about this business model. And at the end of this video, you should be able to learn if this is something that you want to get into or not. All right. Now, with human proof designs on the website, it says online business made easy. Now, right off the bat, you have to just understand that this website, it's not cheap. Service is definitely not cheap. This is like a premium type of service, okay? Now, the idea behind human proof design is that they're building a site for you to be able to rank in Google. And you call this process search engine optimization. Now, with search engine optimization, it's actually a really long process. It takes time to rank your sites in Google. And you also have to know that even though it takes time, you also have to learn how to promote your articles so that they can get higher rankings. All right. So you should be able to go out there and go on places like Pinterest or maybe even on YouTube to get your articles ranked. Now, when I started with human proof design, that was back in 2017, and I actually purchased a ready-made niche site for around $800. Now it's 2020 at the time of me doing this video, and as you can see, the prices have increased. Now, this is, for example, this is the cheapest package right now. It's say $1,300, right? And the idea is that they're going to build your site. If you choose to do a ready-made niche site, they're going to build you your site, all right? And they're going to create content on your site. They're going to put in some essential plugins on your website. And they're also going to make sure everything is optimized and ready for the search engines. Now, when you get your site from Human Proof Designs, they're going to also provide you with training, okay? So the training that they provide basically shows you how to do your promotions, okay? They're going to show you how to get your first sale. So what they teach you to do is actually like go on other websites, leave comments, for example. That's one of the strategy, right? They also teach you to go on other sites like Reddit, for example, or join forums to kind of get your business out there so that people can click on your website, come to your website, and possibly make purchases. All right. Now, I want to let you know what's really important to know when it comes to this business model now, just to be honest with you, because nowadays I'm not even doing this business model that much. I'm more focused on YouTube because YouTube is a faster way to get traffic to whatever offer that I'm promoting. And I'm actually also using a process called sales funnels. Sales funnels. So sales funnels, when people come into a funnel by entering their email, and then I put them through a process and basically form a relationship with those people and continue to provide them with great services that they're actually looking to buy. All right. Now, with this business model that Human Proof Design is doing, I would say it's one of the most difficult business model online because when you go to Google, my friend, and you are searching for something, right? And you find something on the first page. So for example, you say the best, let's see the best smart watches. Let's do this search term, for example, the best smart watches with heart rate monitor. Now, when you are trying to compete with other websites, you're going to be competing with 9 other websites, and sometimes you will actually see people running ads as well on Google, right? Now with this business model, it's it's kind of very competitive, all right? So that is why, one of the things that you want to do if you decide that you want to go with human proof designs and do their service is that you want to make sure that you actually go to a platform like Pinterest, for example, right? Now, Pinterest is where I get traffic for one of my website, okay? That's where I'm getting a lot of people buying products from my website, and they're coming into my website and they're purchasing stuff from Amazon, all right? So that's another strategy that you need to learn if you decide to go along with this business model. Now, with that, by the way, I'm going to provide you a link to the top course for Pinterest. It's called Pinterest Traffic Avalanche. I'm going to put a link in my description where you can actually click through. And if you decide to do this business model, you can use that link to purchase the course and learn how to do it properly. Now, with this now, what you have to really understand, my friend, is that it's not easy, okay? Because with human proof designs now, what I want you to look at is they know that it's not easy, because when you come through and you purchase any of these sites, okay? Say you decide to purchase one of the Age sites for $1,797, right? The work is not finished there. You have to come down, and they also have other services. Now, as a blog, when you're doing blogging, because that's what human proof design really teaches, that content is going to be a main part of your business. You have to keep on creating content. So that is why within human proof design, they offer the content packs, all right? So they have this monthly article subscription where you pay $149 to $659, depending on the type of article subscription that you do. So they have like the normal one, they have the premium one, all right? Now, this money will definitely add up. If you're not making money, for example, you know, this is going to really be a lot of money for you to keep on spending. But it's actually not too bad, because you're spending money to build up your business, and it's going to take some time, obviously. So you just have to know that if you're coming into this game of blogging to get ranked in Google, you have to know that it takes time. It really does take time, because like my website did take, say, for example, 1 year before I actually started seeing like some good commissions coming in, all right? So human proof design, they know the problem, so that is why they have these solutions here. The article packs, this is where you get a pack of search-friendly premium quality articles. It's written by the trained in-house writers. And as you can see, the price is from $400 up to $1,300, okay? They also have an ebook service as well. So that means if you want to give away a free book on your website to build your list, you know, they provide that for you, where you actually have that for $250 basically. They also have this new service called storyboard videos. You know, this wasn't even there when I just started the human proof design. But let me see, this says add a completely new dimension to your content with our storyboard videos. We take your blog post, turn it into a video, and you earn ad revenue and improve engagements. So obviously, this is going to be something powerful, because right now, if you don't know, my friend, YouTube is on fire right now. This is where a lot of people are getting traffic, okay? Myself included, because you're watching this video now, and this is where I get people to watch my videos, and I can invite people to come into my sales process, and then I'll be able to form a relationship with people and give them the help that they need and provide services that they need to buy as well. So obviously Human Proof Designs knows that, so that is why they're providing that service as well. They also have search engine optimization packages there, which, you know, search engine optimization is SEO. So SEO is so important when it comes to ranking your website in Google, right? Because you have to know your on-page SEO, you have to know to do your interlinking, you have to know how to also link out to good sites which are kind of providing better value to the people who are reading your websites, right? So they provide that for $550 to $1,500 per month, right? And they also have press release, they have monthly guest post outreach, monthly private blog network links. And as you can see, more private blog network links right there. So there, with Human Proof Designs, they have a lot of services there. Now, let me tell you, all of this really does add up. So you want to make sure that you actually have substantial money to come into this if this is something that you want to do. And I also want to let you know that obviously it's going to take real time before you actually reap back your investments. And as a business person, you want to make sure you get a good return on your investment at basically a quick time, right? You don't want to be waiting years upon years before you actually see your returns. Now, with my experience with them, as I said, I started seeing good commissions within like year one, right? Within 1 year, I was seeing regular commissions coming in. But again, with the Google algorithm coming in, changing from time to time, sometimes your website can actually go way down, and then sometimes it can actually go back up and so on. But, I just want to let you be aware of all of this because, with blogging, it's really not like the safest and best business model right now, right? It's really getting more difficult nowadays for people to see real results with blogging, especially if they're new. Now, obviously, Human Proof Design does make it newbie friendly. Get your business started for you as soon as possible. It takes around maybe 2 weeks for them to fully create your sites and hand it over to you. And they provide all the training for you as well, where you can actually plug into that. It does take time again, and you have to be patient. All right. Basically, that's what Human Proof Design is really about, right? If this is something that you want to jump into, you can always go to Human Proof Designs, go and start your business with them. All I can say is that they do have a good team, right? They have people there that really reaches back out to you in a timely manner, right? So if you reach out to them, it's not going to take them a long time before they reach back out to you and provide you with help, all right? So nowadays, what I am doing, my friend, I am doing something a bit different from like a lot of blogging nowadays, because as you move forward with online business, you learn and you become smarter every time. You get to see what's best in the marketplace for you, right? Now I'm doing a system which is basically just getting people into a sales funnel right now, right? And with this business model is basically very easy. It's like the easiest system that I have encountered since I've been online since 2014. Now with this system is that you're actually going to be just a funnel is built for you, right? A sales funnel is built for you. Emails are written for you, right? Everything is set up for you. The only thing that you're going to be concentrating on with this business model that I'm telling you about is getting traffic to your opt-in page where you collect your emails. Okay, you're going to be collecting emails, and then you're going to be following up with these people who come onto your email list, right? Now, you would have to definitely see this for yourself to actually get a full understanding of it. But it's really simple because these guys actually, I don't know, it's really something that you want to jump into and take a look at. See if it's right for you, and see if you're going to make it happen for you as well. Because I'm seeing some good results. People are coming into my email address. I'm seeing sales coming in, and you're going to be team up with real ethical people who actually care about seeing you getting results. All right, that's what it is. Because nowadays online, that's one of the things, you're not going to be finding genuine people who actually care about you seeing success. Now that is why I am transitioning now into the business model that I'm doing. It's affiliate marketing. It's mid and also I-ticket affiliate marketing, right? There's a team of people who's going to be helping you, myself included. So what you what you can do is click on the link that you see at the top of my description. It's going to be the number one way that I recommend for all my followers and all of my people to come into and learn the system and start making nice commissions online, right? Now, with Human Proof Designs, as I said, it's a good company. You just have to make sure that you have money and you are willing to wait it out. You have to be patient, and you also have to be putting in some real work if you don't want to pay for all the services that they have to offer. All right. So just giving you a heads up. Hopefully this review has been helpful to you. And if you do have any questions, I invite you to ask them in the comments section below. And also you can like the video if you found it valuable. You can also subscribe, subscribe, and share the video to anyone out there that you think this will benefit. Now, again, my name is Jason Foster, and I thank you for watching the video. Remember, you can check out my number one recommendation in this description that I put right below this. Thanks, my friend. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.